Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add an upload or attach file option in a contact form 7. For example, I have this form, and if I want my users to send me to be able to send me a file, for example like image, a PDF or a doc, then I'll have to add an attachment here, and when user fill this form and attach the file, any type I mention, and click on send, then I'll get an email with that attachment. So on my contact us page I have a form, and in admin section and contact forms I will open the form from clicking contact and then contact forms, edit the respected form. Okay, here you can see all the 4 fields are available here, and this is the submit button. So for adding the file field within this form, I'll have to copy a field and paste it here and remove this shortcode and click on file. I'll not click on required field because it will be optional. Okay, I'll name it doc. File size limit will be up to 5 MB, and acceptable file types will be .doc and .docs or just docs. Insert tag and save the form first. After saving the form, click on mail tab. Okay, here you will see a short tag, a short code by the name of doc. We just added for the file attachment, and come to your file attachment section and paste that short code here, so that the doc, the uploaded file will be sent with this email as an attachment, and click on save button. Okay, when the this form is saved, now click on front end, come to front end, refresh the page. Okay, I forgot to change the name. I just copied this field and it says your message, but it still works. When you click on this, it will need a file, but let's just change it. Come to the form again and change it here, upload doc, and click on save. Refresh the page and it will say upload doc. Okay, type in your name, email address at the rate of xyz.com, test mail and some text, and click on upload doc. Find, attach the doc file and click on send. It says your message sent successfully. I think there might be an error because we made a mistake when adding the file types. There is an extra dot here. Remove that dot and save the form again. Now come again to the form and refresh the page. Here again fill the form, test mail and some sample text and upload doc, send file. After getting the successful message, come to your inbox. Okay, here is the email. Click on the email, and here is the doc attachment. So as you can see, you can change the file type from docs to Excel to PDF to JPEG, PNG, any file type you want, and the user will be able to send that file only. Okay, so that was all for today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to our channel if you are new here. Thank you.